fuel. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. The RCMAX 90 GT, I forgot to bring my earmuffs today, so my ears are vibrating after that. 2846 gearing. It's scary how powerful this thing is. It is absolutely a monster. I've rebuilt this diff, as you know, as most of you probably know, with the HPI Baja. It's been very hard to get the bevel diff gears for these things now, because I don't know what HPI is doing. But I bought some Roven bevel gears for the diff, and I'm trying them out in this. It's going fine. I don't see any difference with it, really. Time will tell if they break later. I'm not sure, but for the street they seem to be doing all right. So there you go, fellas. I might come again later today and run it some more today and tomorrow. But I have to go home and get my earmuffs because it's just really deafening. But it is an absolute monster. You can really tell the difference between an 80 and a 71cc. This is just way overpowered, mate. Alright, so see you later.